Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As a conceptual high point in the world of ultra-luxury motorcoaches, the 2025 Prevost H3-45 Coach Quad Slide Artist Series is an actual representation of the most expensive motorcoach in the world. This fictitious model is a rolling home designed for the most discriminating and wealthy customers, pushing the limits of custom design, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious lifestyle. Its base is the legendary Prevost H3-45 chassis, which is renowned across the world for its unparalleled structural strength, excellent riding quality, and roomy undercarriage. The ideal canvas for extensive customization is offered by this platform. The name Quad Slide is important because it refers to four large slide-outs that, when extended, significantly expand the interior living area and turn the coach from a vehicle that is ready for travel into a spacious, multi-zone home. Each Artist Series unit would be a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, with the exterior retaining the sleek, high-profile silhouette of the H3-45 while being embellished with creative, multi-stage paint finishes that feature elaborate graphics, pearl effects, or even personalized artwork. Modern LED lighting arrays with dynamic illumination capabilities would be used for both utilitarian and decorative lighting, and chromatic accents would be expertly incorporated. Entering the 2025 Prevost H3-45 Coach Quad Slide Artist Series is like entering an unmatched world of luxury where no cost is cut. In order to create a living area that can compete with upscale penthouses or superyachts, the owner would work with internationally recognized interior architects on the interior design. The finest, rarest materials would be used to painstakingly create each surface, including polished Italian marble or onyx countertops, exotic hardwoods like Macassar ebony or figured anagar, and hand-stitched, custom-dyed leathers from the most prestigious tanneries. Silk, cashmere, and custom weaves are examples of fabrics that are selected for their tactile qualities and visual appeal. The owner would have complete control over the layout. A large retractable 8K OLED TV screen, a custom audiophile-grade sound system, and electrically reclining chairs are all possible features of a grand salon. Sub-zero fridge, integrated, commercial-grade appliances, and possibly a climate-controlled wine cellar are all features of a professional-grade galley kitchen. With a king-sized, adjustable bed, a large walk-in closet, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom with a heated floor, multi-jet shower, and designer fixtures, the master suite would be a private haven that rivals a presidential suite in a five-star hotel. The Quad Slide's larger footprint would allow for the seamless integration of additional guest private apartments, a dedicated office, a fully furnished gym, or even a small movie theater. The integration of technology would be extensive and state-of-the-art. Every feature of the coach, from security cameras and entertainment to climate control and lighting settings, would be managed by an advanced, user-friendly home automation system that could be operated by voice commands, integrated touchscreens, or remote devices. Private network capabilities, sophisticated cellular boosters, and high-speed, multi-redundant satellite internet would guarantee flawless worldwide access. Large lithium battery banks and strong, silent generators would be part of the coach's reliable, silent power generation system, which would provide total self-sufficiency for prolonged off-grid periods. Comfort and sustainability would be further improved by cutting-edge waste management, water filtration, and air purification technologies. In the end, the 2025 Prevost H3-45 Coach Quad Slide Artist Series is more than just a motorhome. It's a custom mobile palace made for people who, wherever they are, desire the highest level of luxury, technology, and individualized craftsmanship. It is the pinnacle of luxury, independence, and a genuinely international way of life.